say suppose the requirement is you want to send the output to the specified receptionist. You want to send the report output to specified receptionist. Understood?
Yeah.
Specified person, suppose specified authorized person.
Please go up because it is hiding here. What you are writing is hiding. Just please go up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Authorized person. So what you will going to do, sir? How we will send the report output to the specified person?
Okay.
So you will going with the PLSQL coding you can do. So along with PLSQL coding, shell scripting you can do. You can able to send it. Okay. No, you don't want to write any self coding program. What you need to do? You can go with the bursting control file process. Understood?
Okay.
So you can go with the bursting control file process. So file process, you can use this. Sir, how I can do this, sir? How I can implement this? Okay. The simple one is already existing one. It is 1 second. Excuse me. Here, okay, give me a second. I'm putting somewhere. Let me take that file. Can you give me a second?
Yeah.
Right. So we are going to looking the bursting control file. So you can see here. This is the bursting control file steps. So you need to follow the same. So whatever you can going to take it anywhere. So the same one only you can take it. What are the things you need to change it? Version is 1.0. Encoding UTF-8. The request is HTTP path Oracle oracle.com/oxp/xapi. Type is bursting. The same thing you need to take it. And then the request next sections you can see request set is started and it is ended. Understood?
Okay.
XAPI, the tag is started there, okay, and the tag is ended here. Now in this tag, the XML NS XAPI, the path where that Oracle provided standard path, it will going to supported by the Oracle. Okay. Next is going to XAPI request. We are going to request under request set only. You can able to mention request, delivery, message, email, all body. These all things you will going to do. Okay. Now under the request set you will going to write a request. This is the request. Under the request you will going to request should be going to select format, and then delivery you will going to do this. This is the delivery. Up to this is the delivery. In the delivery level, you need to mention the major information here. Whatever I selected, in the delivery level only you need to mention. So what is the server name, what is the port name, what is the from address, what is the reply to address, okay. So what is the to address, what is the CC address, okay. So these are all the things you need to decide it in the delivery level only. Sir, where I can get this information? Your DBA is going to give that. Server name, port number, from address, reply to address, okay, ID and to address and CC address. These all the information will going to provided by the DBA people.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So while going to if they want to send the information, they need to know this information. Then only they can able to send it, right?
Yes.
Understood? So the server port addresses normally you will going to know, the DBA will going to help you. From address, reply to address and to address, CC address. So the manager who is going to giving the requirement to you, those people will going to help you that information.
Okay.
The attachment should be going to always true.
Okay.
Understood? The attachment is true, then only your report output will going to reach it. The mail attachment will go.
Okay.
If it is false, it will not go. Content type is going to text or HTML, you can put it.
Okay.
Okay. Or else, if you want, output type should be going to PDF. How you want, you can decide it. Next, subject line. In the mail subject, what you want to mention? PO PDF, okay, PO PDF copy, or AP invoice copy, or AR invoice copy. Please review the attached document, PO copy. Like this, they will going to ask, tell you the requirement clearly, sir. What is the subject? Who is the from address? Who is the to address? Who is the CC address? How they want? Is it PDF output they want or Excel output they want? This all the information they will going to give you. Okay. They means who is functional requirements going to asking the user. They will going to understood. So now I hope under the request set you can going to see the request. Under the request you can see the delivery. In the delivery level you will going to see this all the information in the email level. This is the email part. See now the tags are very important, sir. One tag if you are opened, immediately you need to close the tag also.
Fine.
Okay, coming into document now. Now the if document is open, now in the document you need to mention the output. What is the your report output? How you want employee details, PO PDF copy, or AR invoice, or sales order details. How you want the output file name? You can mention the output here. And the output type, is it a PDF or is it a delivery to? Delivery to 1, 2, 3. The password, the delivery password they will going to give automatically. It will going to give. And type of the template.
DBA will give delivery address.
They will give the IP who, to whom we need to ID is coming, right? Delivery ID 1, 2, 3. Okay, they will only going to give you. What is that? Let me show you the some TNS entries here. If you go into Toad, you can see the server port, this ID and all. So most probably DVS will going to help you that information.
Okay.
So new connection, go to TNS editor, go to this. Sir, are you able to see here post name?
Okay.
Port name they will going to give you, and some this ID they will only going to help you. What is the ID you need to use? Their server IDs will come. Understood? A server level ID only they will going to give. Delivery ID they will give, and the type should be going to RTF. Location is going to where it is located. This is you need to mention. This is instance name with that path. what is the path you are going to giving, you need to mention that path.
Okay, okay.
How you can know means where is located your the output file. See, after report is generated, somewhere it is going to store, right? Last time I show you the FND concurrent request log file output file path you are seeing, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
The source file path they will going to help you. Then you will going to say and take it file path. Next level it will come, sir. XML tables, the XML publisher tables will come. In that level you can see that location one. So this is the one. So you need to keep on mind mainly here request set. Under the request set request, under the request you can see the delivery. Under the delivery email part. Email part is the more important and document part is the more important. Remaining things is as usual.
If there's a,
So simply,
if there's a multiple CC, we will keep comma and put the names ID of the multiple CC.
correct, sir. Here only you can mention those things. Like this
Comma,
you can mention.
okay, comma and that's it. Okay, sir.
Okay. Oh, no, not comma. This one you can use maybe. Actually, we didn't get multiple CC people. Though whenever I worked on only CC person, one person. But see, maximum requirements will not come for the specific people. Understood? Shayad, see, keep on mind, whenever multiple people are required at that time, they will going to create the group mail and they will put the group mail as a CC.
Okay, okay.
You understood now? Suppose now you want to put it CC as a 5 people. So you should not going to mention for five people email IDs. What you will going to do? You will going to create the just directory link, directory mail. Understood? You know, right? Hello?
No, I don't know.
See, now suppose 5 people are there, sir. For 5 people you need to send a mail daily. So what you can do? Are you going to send for 5 people, or else you are going to creating the group for them? You can create a group DL. DL means directory list.
Yeah.
So that Outlook will going to support that. You can create it and you can configure it automatically. If you send the mail to them, automatically who are there in the under group, everyone will going to get the mail. Sir, it is simple logic, sir. Now suppose they want to send it for all Indian IT employees one mail. Is it going to, how they will send? They will send through the groups.
Yeah, right.
So like that you will going to create a group mail for them, multiple people, and then you will mention that group here.
Okay.
Even the to address from address also, it's a generic from address to address it will come. So that means do not reply mail it will come.
Okay.
From address is always do not reply email it will come. Understood?
Okay.
Now what you can going to do, you will going to save this as a .xml. Understood?
Okay.
You need to save this as a XML. One second. Your file is folder, new folder.
New folder.
Yeah, new folder. So suppose now I open this. So what you can do, we're going to keep this, and then now you are going to save this file. Save file as a .xml. Understood? So now underscore burst BUR burst file, control file .xml. I saved that. Now I saved it. Next what you need to do, this is ready. I saved into my local machine that. Okay. And then next what you need to do, you need to go there into your application.
Okay.
So now you go there. Next, what you need to do? What's your short name? Take a short name, okay, and then query your concurrent program.
Okay.
So here you will go into control F11. See now you got your this is your BA Publisher report one.
Okay.
Now go to XML Publisher Administrator, Home, Data Definition. So put your concurrent short name as a code, and you can click and go. So your report is ready. Already report is ready. So now what you need to do? You need to attach your, see now. Are you able to see here?
Bursting. Okay.
Right. You can attach that file to here. What is that? This one. Understood?
Okay.
So now this one you are attached bursting control file. Now this bursting control file should be going to calling, right? Otherwise how it will call? It will not going to call, right?
Yeah.
So must and should be, it should be called from somewhere. Now you are attached, that is fine. Next level what you need to do? You need to attach somewhere. Understood?
Okay.
So you need to, this is the creating a package procedure you need to do.
Okay.
In the package procedure you need to call.
Okay.
So this package procedure what you need to do? You need to register this and you need to call into your again, let me go there, 1 second. Your control file, now here it is. You are going to putting this, you are calling the data structure level, okay, you are going to end the data structure, right? So now simply try to understand. I am going to explaining high level. Peacock request ID, you need to put that.
Okay.
1 second. Now where is your layout? This is your data template, right?
Okay.
In the data template what you need to do, after report is completed, you need to do this. After report trigger, you need to call your package function with this peacock request ID parameter.
Okay.
This peacock request ID you need to pick it to here. So I added a new parameter in your got it?
Okay.
You need to explain after this, okay? You can explain, no problem. I added a peacock request ID parameter, and then I added my after data structure, data trigger, after report trigger. Report is completed. After that, I want to trigger this package procedure. It should be going to calling this, automatically calling this procedure. Then what will happen? The package is going to running this. This package is going to running package. Okay, package body this is. Now the package body, this is the package body. We will going to where you can going to see, here you will going to see now. This is going to body. Let me, if it is already there, it is fine. No, it is not there. Okay, anyhow I will going to create it, no problem. Okay, so now this package body, right, you need a spec also. Let me, if the spec is there, then we'll going to open. Otherwise, I will going to download. Employee details. I think both are there in the same. Create a package body. This is. So you need to create a spec also.
Okay.
So how you will going to create or replace package name, the procedure name. So you will going to create this.
Okay.
So I hope you are remember how to create a package spec
Those
and bodies.
things I know.
Right. So this is the one. So procedure name, and the package, and the procedure, and the package name.
Yeah, this is a specification.
Right. Specification I'm going to create. So this is the one. So if it is any other functions are there, you can add those functions. Yeah, one more function is there. You can take it on function. Return boolean. Okay, this much only we have. So you can add there. Okay. Now I'm going to compiling my code. Okay, without errors, without body. You can able to see this package bursting. This is going to compile. You can see package created. Right.
Okay.
Now I'm going for body. Now body also I compiled. Some error it is coming. What is that? XXAME log. XXAME log means I need to display this log. What you can do, you will going to create some table. Understood?
Okay.
So this table, what you will going to do, it is a table or DBMS output also you can display, sir. Okay?
Okay.
Got me? See
Yeah.
this. Suppose now you want to controlling procedure. Did you hear about any time?
No.
Controlling procedure is there. Controlling procedure means suppose if you are going to working in workflows, if you want to debug the standard workflow or else some any big coding is there. Suppose 15,000 lines code, 20,000 lines code is there. Hundreds of procedures are there. How we will going to debug the code? What you will going to do, you will going to create a table. On the top of the table you are going to creating a procedure, generic procedure. Automatically through the procedure is going to trigger and the data is going to inserted into the table.
Okay.
This data. This one simply you can put it into DBMS output underscore line. That also you can do.
Yeah, that also we can see. Yeah.
DBMS underscore
Output line.
output underscore line, or else this also you can use. Anyhow this apps right fnd underscore file dot put line, fnd underscore file dot put underscore line. Understood? This is the one.
Okay.
You can use this also.
Fine.
Here you can decide it is a log file or output file. You can decide it. Got it? Now suppose this is fnd underscore if you want log file or output file, this is fnd underscore file dot log. So it will going to display under the log. Got it? Suppose if you want to display in the output level, fnd underscore file dot log.
Okay.
fnd underscore file dot output. Understood? Output. Out. If it is a output it will come. If it is a log level it will come.
Okay.
Got it? Right, sir. What is this? Outer.
Output.
One more is there. fn underscore file dot log file dot fn underscore file dot put line. Got it? Completed. No errors. So this package, how it is going to working? This package is going to compiled and it is created. Now it is coming. What you are calling there? In your template level, you are calling what? Package name burst function you are calling.
Okay,
With passing the peaconk request ID.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Now you are going to calling that. Now what will happen now? If you go into, give me a second. Now once you are calling that, go to function. So bursting, it will go to here. Understood? This function it will go. Under the function, what is this? Bursting procedure. Procedure with global fnd global dot concurrent request ID. It is taking the request ID and it is going to calling that. Now request ID and it is calling to this one.
Okay.
This procedure. Through the function I am calling the procedure again.
Okay.
Now the request ID, what will happen? It is going to submitting this concurrent program.
Okay.
Automatically.
Okay.
What changes I need to do now? I need to go and upload the template also, right? Template we have done changes, right? This one.
Yes.
Upload your latest template there.
Okay.
What is done? This is the one, right? So you can upload this one. Sir, I hope you understood.
Yeah, calling, no problem.
Now, next what you will going to do? Now you will go and submit your program.
Okay.
So, but here it will not work. The reason is the text instance. We need to set up properly, but the way you will going to understand.
So in the production, we will do the same way, right?
Same way. There is no difference. Same way you need to follow.
Okay.
So here, suppose just ABC. I'm not giving anything. Just I want to show it as a that is going to picking or not. Okay. Click on no. Click on fine. So now the program is running. Okay, it's still not picking. The reason is the peaconk request ID is there, right?
Yeah.
See, the bursting one is not picking. The reason is you are not registered this peaconk request ID into your concurrent programs.
Okay.
You understood what I said? In the concurrent program you created, there also you need to mention your parameter, right?
Yes, right. Yes.
So here you can mention. So two parameters are there, 30. Now you can go there. Third one, this is. So you need to mention this. Then only it will going to understand. Okay, number. Okay, display is there, right? You can uncheck this display.
Okay.
So it will not ask in when you are submitting the concurrent program.
Oh, when I uncheck the display.
Concurrent request ID. So it will there, but it will not ask.
Okay.
You can display if you are unchecked. Then if it is there, automatically it will pass, but it will not going to ask.
Okay.
Now you can go and submit your program. So this is the one. So what we can take here? Simply I am entered something. Operating Vision Germany. General Electric. Should have to pick that program. You understood which program it should going to pick? This program.
Yeah.
This is the program. See this FND request or submit request is there. Whenever you are submitting this program, automatically should have to pick that program.
Why it's not picking?
Yeah, that one I am thinking. This is the one. So let me. Sorry, that should be in short name. So this program should have XML Publisher report bursting program should have to pick automatically. Understood? So what I did for this, understand now. I am going to, this is my template. In the template, after my data structure is completed, in the after report trigger level, so I am going to calling this package function. How I am calling? I am passing this previous report request ID to here, and I am going to calling to this. Once this calling package function it is calling, it will come to here in the package. In the package level, what will happen? The request ID it will take. Now this bursting proc is my procedure name. The above procedure this is with passing this request ID, and it will going to come this here, and it will going to taking this, and it is going to FND request or submit request. Automatically this is going to submit it.
Okay.
Got it? Once this is submitted, automatically now this is submitted, right? Now this is submitted. Once this is completed, automatically this is going to pick your control file, bursting control file. So this will going to pick at the time. Bursting type bursting is there, right? Automatically this will going to pick. Under this will going to pick. This is going to helping to the output will going to sending to the specified person. That is the process.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So, but why it is not picking means maybe the request ID is not capturing here. Go to system administrator. Show you. Go request. Submit request. Single request. See here. This is not attached to here. Maybe attached into PO only or application developer. Right. Now I understood. This purchasing level, it should be attached. Understood? Your program also should be attached. Even the standard program also.
Okay.
Responsibility request. What is that? All reports, right?
Yes.
all reports under purchasing. So here we will going to let me attach this and we will see now. Now go to purchasing responsibility and then go to back, submit, single request, copy, then submit. It's not picking, sir. We need to debug that. This program should have to pick automatically. Understood? See this. That previous request ID is there coming, right?
Yeah.
That request ID is automatically it is passing to here.
Okay.
See, what I did, I captured this request ID here. What is the report request ID is coming, right?
Yeah.
So this request ID automatically it is going to capture and it will going to pass the program.
Yeah, but why it is not passing? That we have to see.
That is only we need to debug. We need to debug that. So normally, this is the request ID.
Yeah.
So let me go XML Bursting program. So this is the request ID, automatically it will pass, and then see that. Once you are going to passing that request ID, automatically it will take this previous program. So and then going to submit, it will going to, now it's the bursting control file will come from the bursting control file level. Understood? See this. Are you able to see here? This request ID, the down request ID is coming to up.
Okay.
Now this will going to helping to sending the output. So let me see the error. See, this is a text instance, or everything we need to configure properly, then only it will work. If it is your real-time case, then you will going to see this. I told, right, the employee details PDF output. There is no employee details PDF output there in my path. So you remembered here I mentioned what I mentioned, my file name, employee details. Is there any, our file name is different, right?
Yeah.
Our report name is different, right?
Yeah. So give the correct report name. Give the correct report name.
Even if you give the correct report name also, it will not work. The reason is the path we need to give properly again. For your understanding, I am going to changing this, okay?
Okay.
So the process is same. No, nothing is different. Even these all are just dummy mail IDs, sir, okay? You will not going to get any mail. The reason is those are all are dummy mail.
Just show me how automatically you will pick the ID, the request ID.
So this is going to now update. So change the bursting control file 1. So now then what we will going to do, no, it went to error again. See now. No such directory path. See, that is the, you need to find the proper path where, but even you are not going to generating PDF output. Our is Excel output, right? You understood? See, this report output is what is that Excel output. See, but you are mentioned PDF, it will not come, right? So that is the thing. So we need to again the path, you need to identify where it is going to store that path. If you are giving correct path, automatically it will pick that. So what are the things you are going to doing here? The first one is you prepared the bursting control file. Okay, in the bursting control file you need the email information. The email information should be going to server name, port number, from address, reply to address, and reply to and as CC address. These are the information you required. Those information will provide the client. And then output. What is the output name you want and type of the output you want, and where the location of the output. This is the what we mentioned, the location. Nothing is there like this way. Our server location, where the output it is going to stored. You can go into WinSP, suppose they will going to help you. DBA will going to help you where that output paths are going to stored. Understood?
That means the generated report will be stored there. From there it will pick for bursting.
Pardon?
This means that the generated output report file will be stored there. The bursting will pick from that location.
Right, correct. The output is going to picking from the server. See, that is the reason you mentioned into your template level after report trigger, right? See this. After report trigger. After report trigger means once the report is completed, then only it will fire this. If you fire this package procedure, automatically what will happen? The package procedure is going to calling the function now. First it will call the function based on the request ID, concurrent request ID. Okay. fnd global dot concurrent request ID. This is a profile. Latest request ID it will pick immediately. Okay. And then this procedure is going to call, and the procedure level you are going to passing this. Automatically this program will pick. This program is running, then automatically immediately it is going to here bursting file. In the bursting file it is going to picking this path, the request ID is picking and passing into this mail ID, sending into mail IDs.
Okay.
You understood now?
Yeah, but at least show me why that ID it is not automatically picking ID, request ID.
Correct. The request ID, let me go there.
Just debug and show me, that why it's not coming.
Yeah, we need some time for that. Okay. Okay. Oh. So once you submitted this request ID, it should going to pass to that one. Okay, it's completed. It's not passing. That request ID should go after completed. Then it should going to run this program. Okay, what we will going to do? I'm going to removing this. Okay. This request ID I'm removing. So I removed that. Okay.
Okay.
The request ID in the both the cases I removed. But here we are going to passing. Okay, the default request ID only we are passing. Okay, no problem. We're going to submit now. View data definition. No, I am picking from the profile directly, the request ID. We'll see now. So you need to go there and you need to stop that also. There also you need to disable here. You are not using, right? So you need to. So use in Germany. Oh, Shahid, see, definitely it should going to pick. The reason is I clearly, once my group structure is completed, I call this report trigger, after report trigger. In the after report trigger, I mentioned the source and path. Source, this is. The source should be going to calling to here. From here to it will call to above. Here, okay. Here it is going to calling, it is going to picking this program. This program will going to helping to automatically bursting control file will going to pick, checking. This bursting control file is going to checking. In the bursting control file, first it is going to identifying the document under the path, and after that it went to the delivery. In the delivery level, it will going to identify in the mail ID and it will send automatically. Understood the procedure?
Yeah.
It's not picking how it will pick that. Even the same procedure we are following here, some setups and all we need to look that.
Yeah, just show me because while working.
Here in the setups level, while going to see the PDF output or PDF output we mentioned, it should be through general level series. Path is there already. Directory path is there. Custom directory. Some compressed PDF output it should be going to through. These things we should be going to enable those things. Disable printing, that is fine, but these are RTO output.
Just only show me automatically how the ID will come. That's just that much only.
That is only I'm thinking how automatically ID is coming means this is profile shared series fnd profile dot concurrent request ID, right? So this is going to automatically it will going to pick this. How automatically it will going to pick this means profile value. Profile value is always select from dual. See now, got coming right? Concurrent request ID. -1 it will, but -1 it will show, but the runtime automatically it will pick the this concurrent request ID only. Understood? This request ID only it will pick, but runtime it will pick. If you are normal time, if you are running -1 only it will show. See now, if you have a doubt, then go and search in the Google. So you will going to know and understand what is this profile. This one. See now. FND global dot apps FND global dot concurrent request ID. Concurrent request ID. Okay. How to get request ID? See this. This is the same question you asked me, right? So this is see here. The request set name. Now program name 1, 2. The request that has condition like this parameter request ID. See this. What he is going to doing? He is passing the request ID to this query. Understood? How to get this request ID? That is now. Are you clear now?
Yeah.
So for this now the request ID FND concurrent request where the parent request ID is not none, the parent request ID concurrent request code. Somebody is going to helping this, but it is not the correct one. Now if you go, sorry, missed the part. So he is missed the part again. Now let's coming into next. See now. See this. The text program you can get it in the request ID from the FND global dot concurrent request ID. This is a profile. So based on that you will going to get. Now suppose see this. Now you want to get like this way. You will going to do like this also. But that should be in always runtime. When the program is running, immediately it will come. After that you can't see. Understood?
It will come. It will come. Where it will show? The request ID where it will show?
Pardon?
No, but it will pick the request ID where it will show.
It will not show. See, the thing is, it will going to runtime level. It will pick that. Here it will pick. 1 second. Here it will going to take the request ID. This is the function. Return true is there. Automatically it is going to return to the here. This is one. Calling, right? We are going to calling to this one. So now you understood the procedure. Let it be. I want to study something else on that, and we'll going to explain you clearly. But I will going to give you this code completely. Okay. So you can work out that.
No, you are saying it is not taking the request ID from where where it should show the request ID. Just show me.
See here only it should go.
Not here. Go to that where you are running the concurrent program. Where you are running the concurrent program. In the application. Sure.
Okay.
You said it is not showing the request ID automatically. Where it should show?
Normally, once you submitted your program, this one automatically this program will going to pick.
But pick where it should show? Somewhere it will show here in the screen that it is picked.
Show means I'm not getting you actually.
No. See, you are saying that it is not picking the request. How you know that it is not picking the request ID? That will show somewhere.
You mentioned right. See this. That is what I am telling. Sir, this is your data template, right? Here you are calling after report record level your package procedure, right? If you go into your package procedure, now this is your function, right? Package function, right?
No, that I understood. That, but
no. 1 second. See, first of all, you are clear this, right? This is your package, this is your function. So you are going into backend. Your package, this is your function, package function. Under the package function, you are going to calling into your procedure with passing the request ID. The request
Okay.
ID should be coming into the automatically runtime level. It will come. Okay. Once the request ID is coming, then it is going to here. Okay. V underscore request ID. Then here it is FND request and submit request it is. Then it is automatically this is going to submitting the program immediately. Understood? How it is going to submitting this program? This is the parameter you are going to submitting pconf request ID. Okay. Now automatically the report is completed. Immediately this program will going to call. Bursting one will call and this will going to this bursting program will what it is doing? It is going and checking into your control bursting control file.
Yeah, that handler should go to the application where it is calling the bursting report.
This one.
You said that it is not picking the request ID. Where it will show in the screen that it has picked the correct request ID.
Here only, you see, if you go into, this is errored out, right? If you go into error, okay, you can see that what is the error it is. So, the error it is saying as, where is your output file is not correct directory it is saying. We need to give the proper file where it is going to storing your report.
That I understood. Just go to the screen. No, you said many times. You said after running the program, you said it is not picking the request ID.
Here only, here. Now I submitted this program, right?
Hmm.
After this, immediately this program will come.
Okay. That's why it's not coming.
That is not coming. That is the what I am telling.
Okay.
Once this is completed, immediately it should come this one. Immediately, automatically it will submit the program.
Okay. So why it's
That
not
is
calling?
that is not calling. That is the problem.
There's some setup issue, some issue. Why it's not calling?
Also, that is the what I'm thinking. Why automatically this is due to the concurrent request ID only. It is not calling. So let it be. I will going to look it once and tell you.
Okay. You have worked on this one. Have you worked on this one before?
Here it is not worked on, but my client place level I already worked on.
Yeah. Just see why. That's a very important thing. Why it's not calling.
See, sir, in same code only I used in my client place. Okay, it is perfectly working fine for me. The reason is here it is the configuration things are not correct. Everything.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So this is only text instance. Okay, only can able to text it. So few of the things. One more thing is even if it is working also, you don't have the mail IDs also here.
Yeah, that is not an issue. The main thing is why the program is not showing.
That I need to check it. Maybe the request set we will going to create and we will submit that.
Yeah, just see and just show me, please. Just next class.
Okay, so take this code and look it once, and I will see, and then we will see on next session level.
Okay, fine. Okay.